Hi guys, and welcome to Tech District. Military technology are some of the coolest yet scariest kinds of technology in the world. We love them because we see them used all the time in movies. But what if I told you that some of these sci-fi movie technologies actually exist in real life? Yes, in the age of digital information, intelligence gathering is more essential in maintaining military power. So here in Tech District, we'd like to highlight the most amazing military intelligence technology around the world. Before we begin, we try to put out content for you every day, so please show some love for the channel by clicking that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the tech industry. Number 1. Invisible Cloak. Yes, stealth camo is something we see all the time in movies and video games, but what if we told you that we are closer to making this tech applicable than you think? Canadian camouflage manufacturer Hyper Stealth Biotechnology are developing what they call the quantum stealth material. The inexpensive and paper-thin technology works by bending light around a target to either alter its position or make it vanish altogether, leaving only the background visible. It is touted to be able to obscure the positions of heavy artillery, ground troops, and even entire buildings from certain viewpoints. The company is currently applying for a patent for quantum stealth and claims the material can hide from infrared, ultraviolet, and even thermal signals. This material is planned to be made for huge vehicles such as tanks and carriers. Aircrafts and jet fighters are also applicable, but most excitingly, this can be made for soldiers in the battlefield. Brave men and women on the ground can now move and survey areas safely with a quantum stealth. If this becomes applicable to militaries around the world, we might see a new kind of warfare that can't be seen. Number 2. Robo Pilot. Okay, so drones and UAVs are nothing new in the military world, but these high-tech surveillance vehicles are specially made and can cost millions of dollars. Not to mention, if a drone is shot down in enemy territory, top-secret technology can be copied and used against them. Enter Robo Pilot. Automated flight is nothing special these days in aviation technology, but what makes Robo Pilot special is that the modular system can be rapidly installed in any plane and can fly autonomously without making permanent modifications to the aircraft. That means it can be swapped in and out of aircrafts, avoiding the cost of permanently converting planes to unmanned aerial systems. All you have to do is remove the pilot seat, then install the robotic frame. RoboPilot offers the benefits of unmanned operations without the complexity and upfront costs associated with the development of new unmanned vehicles. You can convert any commercial or military aircraft into an unmanned aerial vehicle, having it fly a mission autonomously, and then just set it back up to its original configuration. The RoboPilot's capabilities enables a host of defense and commercial missions, including cargo delivery to dangerous places, entry into hazardous environments, and affordable surveillance for the Air Force. Number 3. Robots on the battlefield. Soldiers working together with robots are able to accomplish more and remain safer than they would be without their electronic support. Lockheed Martin has developed the Assault System, also known as the Augmented Spectral Situational Awareness and Unaided Localization for Transformative Squads. This is specifically developed for the Marines, which uses autonomous battlefield robots equipped with sensors to discover the location of enemies. This system is currently being tested by the US military and is equipped with numerous sensors to give soldiers on the ground extra lookouts. What makes this system amazing is not just the robot itself, but the sophisticated technology soldiers get with it. The robot not only helps conduct surveillance safely, but also communicates with soldiers on the field, ensuring blind spots are secured and that enemies are not flanking from the other side. It can function autonomously or controlled by the troops on the ground. It's also bulletproof and can take punishments from all angles. The ability to get early input and reconnaissance as well as active surveillance of the area means the assault will be able to keep our brave soldiers safe and even more effective in doing missions. Number 4. Underwater Swarm Drones. So we've covered air and land, but what about intelligence technology in the sea? We have remote control submarines and underwater sensors scattered across the ocean, all massive in size and easy to detect. Aquabotics has developed a smaller, more effective system of underwater reconnaissance with the Swarm Diver. Yes, this looks straight out of science fiction movies as these small-scale torpedo-like drones swarm the ocean to collect data, or can be weaponized to defend key water infrastructures. The Swarm Diver is capable of collecting data in the ocean with its sensors and cameras, and it's also capable of diving straight to the seabed. This technology can potentially replace the diver completely when dealing with dangerous and hazardous missions. It's also built for durability. The drone can be thrown right from the shore, take a beating from the waves, and still continue with its missions. There are also proprietary technology that can keep it from being tangled in nets or debris, and can still go forward with its task. Imagine a safer ocean with these little torpedoes running around, turning ocean warfare into a robotic playing field. Number 5. The Black Hornet Nano Drone. So drones are nothing new. They come in many sizes and can achieve great things in the air. Today though, the military has taken drones to a whole new level with the Black Hornet. This is a personal mini drone that can fly for more than a mile and up to 25 minutes. The Prox Dynamics creation is equipped with up to 3 cameras to give soldiers a bird's eye view while they stay safe in a secured position. Measuring just over 6 inches long and weighing a little over than an ounce, the personal reconnaissance system escapes detection easily while providing real-time intelligence capable of reaching speeds of 20 kilometers per hour. The drone is so small that even the base holder that stores 2 units can fit in your pocket. The British military used these drones to pinpoint snipers and car bombs over 100 meters from the soldiers on the ground. Because of its size, the drone is just impossible to shoot down and has an autopilot to survey an area and return to its owner by its own. Sure, we have drones out there that are big and scary, but in an age of information and security, all you need is the Black Hornet. Number 6. Augmented Reality Night Vision Goggles. Okay, so augmented reality is becoming an exciting kind of tech we would love to get our hands on. You can hook it up to your glasses, helmets, and even on your phone. The video game industry is also booming thanks to VR and AR, and the military is ready to take it to a whole new level. The Integrated Visual Augmentation System, or IVAS, is a pair of AR goggles with night vision capabilities. Instead of looking into a screen to see data on the battlefield, IVAS aims to keep the soldiers focused while information is streaming through the goggles. This means the soldiers on the ground are active at all times and no need to settle down in one area to receive commands or process information. With operations on battlefields increasingly moving towards urban, congested, and dark, unpredicted areas, IVAS keeps soldiers prepared and capable of making adjustments on the go. From executing multi-layered orders to completing complicated missions, IVAS can connect to satellites, drones, and even military units to provide the best situational data on the field. If you're looking into the future of cyborg marines, then the IVAS could be a glimpse of what's to come. Additionally, at present, Microsoft is working closely with the US military to develop IVAS from its HoloLens 2 technology. Elite Special Forces soldiers have been using IVAS for training and provide feedback to Microsoft engineers as well as the Army on how it can be improved. With the IVAS, Command is also able to see the soldiers in the field and give orders on the spot. It expects to be on thousands of soldiers worldwide real soon. So that's it from us here in Tech District. The future looks bright, and with all these tech in the front lines, it's surely nice to know that technology is helping us keep the world safer. If you like the video, please let us know by hitting the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below which tech were you most excited about. We love seeing you guys down there in the comment section. Thank you all for watching, and we hope to see you all again soon.